Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the IN statement in SQL. This simple yet powerful clause helps filter data based on a list of values. Let's see how it works and where you can use it effectively. Here is what we will cover in this video. First, we will understand what the IN statement is. Then, we will go through its syntax. We will compare IN with multiple OR conditions. After that, we will see how to use it with both numeric and text values. We will also explore the NOT IN clause, and finally, look at some practical use cases. The IN operator in SQL is a great way to match one value against multiple possible values. Instead of repeating OR conditions, you can just use the IN clause to keep your code cleaner and easier to read. The IN statement is used to check if a value exists in a specific set. For example, if you want to find all records where the status is new, pending, or closed, you can use IN to list those values in a single line. The basic syntax is simple. Write your select statement, add where, and then use the IN keyword followed by a list of values inside parentheses. SQL will return the rows where the column value matches any of the values in the list. Instead of writing a long chain of OR statements, IN gives you a more efficient alternative. So rather than writing status equals active or status equals pending or status equals closed, you can just write status in and list those values. It is cleaner and easier to manage. You can use the IN statement with numbers too. For instance, if you want to fetch products with IDs 10, 15, and 20, simply write a query using IN followed by those numbers. IN works great with text values as well. If you are filtering departments like sales, marketing, or HR, just include those values inside your IN clause. This is especially helpful in reports or dashboards where specific categories are needed. Here is where IN becomes powerful. You can use a subquery instead of hard-coded values. For example, you can select employees where their department ID exists in a list retrieved from another query. This makes your SQL dynamic and reusable. Be aware of case sensitivity. In some SQL databases like PostgreSQL, IN is case sensitive. That means John in lowercase is not equal to John in uppercase. However, in MySQL, comparisons may be case insensitive by default, depending on settings. In SQL, use NOT IN to exclude specific values, like finding customers not from the US or Canada. Be careful with nulls, they can cause unexpected results. Use as null or coalesce when needed. Large lists in NOT IN can slow queries, so try joins or temp tables for better performance. IN is commonly used in the real world. You might use it to pull records for specific regions, filter products by selected categories, find employees in a certain department, or even delete multiple users based on their IDs. It is a great tool for building efficient filters. To sum it up, the IN statement helps you simplify your SQL queries and makes them easier to read and manage. Whether you are filtering numbers, text, or even using subqueries, IN provides flexibility and clarity in your code. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more SQL tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.